Meet Joe, a true classic car enthusiast. Last year, Joe finally bought the car he's always wanted since high school. To make it his dream car, he swapped out the original engine for a larger performance engine, upgraded from drum brakes to disc brakes, and invested in a custom paint job. Because he assumed it would be easier, Joe simply added his new classic car to his regular auto insurance policy from Mainstream Auto Insurance. He assumed the multi-vehicle discount would save him money, and he didn't want to make a separate payment to another insurance company. One day, while Joe was driving to a car show, an uninsured driver ran a red light and crashed into Joe's newly restored car. Mainstream Auto Insurance sent a claim adjuster to inspect the vehicle. After evaluating the damage, the adjuster from Mainstream Auto Insurance declared the car a total loss. The adjuster depreciated her estimate for the age of the vehicle. She also made additional adjustments for mileage and condition in order to estimate the actual cash value of the vehicle. The adjuster explained that non-factory improvements, such as the performance engine replacement and the upgraded braking system, were not covered by the Mainstream Auto Insurance policy. Needless to say, the claim settlement check that Joe received was significantly less than what his restored vehicle was actually worth. Because of this, Joe was not able to replace his classic car with one with comparable quality and condition. Worst of all, Joe was permanently out of the collector car hobby. How could this have turned out differently? Joe could have purchased a classic car insurance policy from American Collectors Insurance. Before the policy is written, Joe meets with an experienced collector insurance specialist, where he describes the improvements he has made to his vehicle. Together, they determine an appropriate agreed value limit to protect his investment in his restored and upgraded vehicle. After the total loss accident, the classic car insurance policy pays the full agreed value limit listed on the policy, less any applicable deductible. So, although Joe is heartbroken at the loss of his dream vehicle, he is able to replace it with another one in similar condition and quality. Best of all, he is able to stay involved in the collector car hobby. Don't just hope that your classic car is fully covered, be certain that it is. Get a free quote today. Learn about an agreed value classic car insurance policy from American Collectors Insurance. And save up to 40% versus regular auto insurance. American Collectors Insurance. Protect your passion.